Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me looks like it is right over here. So once you find it, you can hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings, where you can then select the settings right here by actually turning it on for some odd reason, and you can see we have a couple of them visible. So we have sound and vibration, notifications, calls, and messages. Now for calls we do have one last setting, which is repeated callers, which when enabled, which it is enabled right now, if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass whatever you have selected right here. So just keep that in mind. So anyway, you can basically set this up once and never come back here again. And whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, you just find the toggle, turn it on or off. So that's one thing. And additionally in here, oh no, okay, never mind. We don't actually have a schedule mode, so that's a bummer. So yeah, that's about it basically. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.